but they do so much more than just look pretty. They produce oxygen, absorb carbon dioxide, and regulate our climate. That fresh air you're breathing, thank a tree. Forests also provide us with countless resources. Think wood for furniture, paper for books, and even ingredients for medicines. But it's not just about products. Forests are home to over 80% of the world's terrestrial species. Yep, that's a lot of critters relying on these green giants. Forestry plays a vital role in managing these natural treasures, ensuring they remain healthy and productive. Sustainable practices help balance our needs with the forest's health. So next time you're out for a hike or even just using a wooden spoon, remember the forest. They're essential for our survival and deserve our respect and care. Thanks for tuning in, nature lovers. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's keep exploring the wonders of our natural world together.